morning. Good morning, everybody. What's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning back in with Trading with David 305. Hope everybody had a good night, a good day yesterday. I did write that I have sped up the delay, so or shortened the delay. Instead of 35 seconds, it should be like 12 to 10 seconds now. Made it a little faster. So hopefully that helps with the trades. Let's see what happens. 10 seconds is a lot better than 35 seconds. 35 seconds, that could be a TP already. 10 seconds, the candle might just be figuring out what it wants to do. So you might get a better entry than me, actually. So if I enter a trade and then 10 seconds later you enter the trade, you'll probably get a better entry, I think. Depends on the momentum. So we're looking at the news currently. We did have a red folder at 8:30, unemployment claims, and we have an orange folder at 4 o'clock. That's new. Trump will be speaking. I won't be online for that, so just be aware of that happening at 4, almost at market close. So be careful, guys. Could be another spike in the market. Hold up. Let's do that. Let me turn on the little light here. Good morning, Buckaroo. What's up? Yeah. I sped up the lag. There was a lag of like 35 seconds, so it should be a lot shorter now. 10 seconds, 12 seconds, more or less. I kind of measured it off the timer of the countdown, and I have it streaming on my TV here in the living room, so should be like a 12-second, 10 to 12 second, maybe 15 seconds, depending on your internet delay now, not 35 second. I had it really slow to increase the quality, so I lowered the quality a little bit to increase the rate that you receive it. So you got to tweak it a little bit. But I don't think you'll notice much difference on the quality. Kind of looks the same, right? Oh shit. Alrighty. So ATR's at 24, guys. That's not bad compared to how it's been every day for the last 2 weeks at 38 or 40 pre-market. It's at 24. So that might actually give us an opportunity to add a little more risk. I'm up 800 on the week. I think actually I'm gonna leave it at 3 minis. We'll risk 300. We're gonna stay patient today, guys, and I'm gonna wait for the best move possible. Okay. And now that there's a 10-second or 12-second delay, you should hear me call out the trade. I know yesterday was really quick and didn't give you guys a chance to enter. It was a quick move, so y'all gotta tell me these things so I could try to fix it, And you did. So thank you. All right. ATR 24. Let's see. We are below VWAP. This is VWAP right here, this purple line. This is the S&P 500 on this screen. Looks very similar to the NASDAQ, as you can see. Red candle, and a little pump, See how similar they both are? This is why we use S&P 500 as a confluence for our trades on NASDAQ. If you see a VWAP up here, it's tapping it, but it's not tapping VWAP on NQ yet. We know NQ is going to probably go down because S&P is going to go down, right? It just tapped VWAP. VWAP is where institutions, banks, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, these billions of dollars usually have orders. They either have a lot of sell orders or a lot of buy orders. So the reaction zone is this line here for banks. Big money. Makes sense? All right. ATR is at 24. Let's see the 1 hour. Let's see where we're at. So this is that big pump from Trump saying he's going to halt the war for 5 days. We had this big pump rejection at EMA 200, and it's been ranging ever since. It looks like it has finally started going down to fix this imbalance that Trump created. Price always wants to be balanced, guys. How does it balance? So this pump was so strong that it didn't give any times for sellers to get in. So what happens? Sellers eventually get down to this area and start pretty much equalizing price. So once this gap is filled, we'll find out if it wants to start going down, if it wants to start going up again. We'll see. Let me pull up my other time frames on my other screen here. Yes, you're going to see the Porsche in the background. There's a little manifestation for you guys. And where's the other? I think it's this one. Oh no, that one. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna be looking at the 4-hour time frame. Looks like it's bearish right now. 15-minute time frame. Looks bearish too. Oh man, I have allergies, guys, so if you hear me sniffle, yeah, I'm trying to save you guys from seeing snot all over the camera. All right, so yeah, another reason why I want to get a trade in, be one and done today. All right, so if you guys never been on the stream before, I do use some sound effects. If you hear Green Giant, that's pretty obvious. It's going up, guys. Green Giant, this thing is pumping. If you guys hear tactical nuke incoming, clearly going down. We're getting nuked. This thing is nuking. So those aren't the only sound effects I have. Obviously, you'll hear a lot different ones. But yeah, the one that everybody does love. I don't know why everybody loves that shit. It's funny though. Oh man. All right, let's see. All right, so let's mark out some levels. This space that I marked here was just an area where price likes to range in. So I'm gonna leave that in there. I'm gonna move this blue line here to London low. This yellow square is London session. That's when London opened, and London is obviously currently open until 11 or 12. And then their session closes. It overlaps into New York session. That's why there's a lot of volatility, guys, when the New York session opens, because we have two sessions open. We have London and New York open at the same time, so there's a lot of money moving around. All right, and this blue line right here, we're gonna move it to the London high. I might have moved it a little too high. 24,297.75, more or less where London high is. And my goodness, there we go. 24,072.75 is where London low is. Now we might have to mark Asia high because that's way up here, right? And where's the previous day high? Previous day high is up here. Hasn't been tapped in a while. Let's mark another. Let's mark another ray. Sound engineering, I fixed the delay since you told me, it was like 35 seconds. Should be about 15 or 10 seconds, depending on your internet. I know it's well, I cut it in half. I could make it faster, but my computer might crash because it's not like top of the line. So yeah, but 10 seconds is a lot better. I was gonna mark the Asia high. Yeah. Look at the timer. All right, we could do a test. In 50 seconds, when you see this at 9:15, I'm gonna clap. When you see me clap on your screen, tell me how many seconds passed from the moment you see me clap, and I'll tell you more or less the seconds by looking at this clock, right? So on my screen, I'm gonna clap exactly at 9:15. Okay. And then look at your clock and see. You could use the same seconds at the bottom to kind of time the delay. I guess that's one way of doing it. Ready? All right. Yeah, it's about 15 seconds. It's about 15 seconds from looking at my own stream on my TV running YouTube stream. On my stream, it's about 15 seconds. 10, 12 seconds more or less. I don't know. For you guys, depending on your internet and where you're at, might be more or less the same. At most, I would say at most like 20 seconds. It should be a lot faster than before though. About 15 seconds. Yeah, there you go. Hey, you know, I can make it faster, but then my trading screen might have issues, and I don't I don't want to mess around with my trading platform while I take a trade and that shit crashes. That'd be a problem. So yeah, slight improvement, right? But what I'll try to do is I'll kind of tell you what I'm looking for. Obviously, about 20 seconds prior to taking a trade. And if you see what I'm talking about, you're probably going to take the trade at the same time. So, yep. So, yeah, I definitely fixed the lag. Fix that. We got about, what, 14 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Let's go, Lauren. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yesterday I took the short, and I know that there was a delay, but if you guys took it later than me, you probably still won, because the second trade I took, it went down also. It went even lower. So even if you guys took the bad entry, you probably still won on that short, even with a 35-second delay. So unless you hesitated even more. Can't hesitate out here. But again, guys, the most important thing is that I want to teach you guys how to trade, because I don't want to be like a signals kind of person, you know? Even though you guys see everything I'm doing, because I want to be 100% transparent with you guys, I want you to see the charts the same way I see the charts and see the same things I'm looking at. Or for you guys to understand that why I'm taking that trade. You know what I mean? I want you guys to fish. I don't want to be providing you guys with the fish, because one day, who knows, what if I take a whole 2 weeks off? What if I take a month off? You guys aren't going to trade for a whole month? You know what I mean? I want you guys to be like, yo, I learned so much from David. I could do this without him being there. You know what I mean? And that's real value right there. You were shook? It's okay, brother. It's okay to be shook. You know, sometimes we get so chopped out that you're like, yo, you start questioning everything. You start questioning, yo, do I even know what the hell I'm doing? Like, I've been there, bro. I've been there. I've lost a whole week in a row, and I'm like, what the fuck just happened? So it hasn't happened on the stream yet, luckily. But it happens, bro. It happens that you're like, yo, I don't know if I want to continue doing this. Like, this shit is really hard. But that's the moment that you're either going to make it or break it, you know? If you quit, you'll never know. You'll never know if you could really do this. Oh my God, man. My allergies are on blast, guys. So forgive me. All right, here we go. We got about 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens. Let's go. Yeah, if you guys are hopping onto the stream now, make sure you hit that like button. Please hit that like button. Go to the bottom, or hit pause on the stream. No, don't hit pause, because then you get a bigger delay. Hit that like button next to the video. Yeah, guys, yeah, whatever you want me to explain. Like right now, we're obviously in a downtrend. This is the higher time frames, right? We're in a downtrend. It did tap this swing low on the higher time frame. Let's zoom in here. I already marked out liquidity zones for London. That's right here, 24,072. And we got 24,297. So those are zones of liquidity. And then these other blue lines here, we could actually take that one out because that's going to confuse the shit out of y'all. Actually, let me fix that. So I'm going to move this line here. This was a previous day low that was not tapped. So we could do that. Boom. That's up there. So we got... oh shit, I moved the wrong one. I'm retarded, guys. Whatever, I'll move this back. All right, there's your London high again, more or less. 299 to 298, whatever. All right, so these blue lines here are levels of liquidity and interest. So when they tap, just be careful. Price reacts usually. I anticipated your channel. I appreciate it, brother. I appreciate it. But yeah, I sped up the delay, the latency, it's called. So I sped it up. So it should be a smaller delay now. Should help out with the entries and seeing me going in and out. Right now we are in a downtrend. We are very far from VWAP, so got to be careful with that. We did tap into more of the imbalance, and we're obviously seeing a bounce up. We're gonna see if it rips through this support level. So it obviously ripped through the support level. Now it's retesting that pivot. When it rips or breaks through a support level, it turns into resistance usually. Now it's a resistance level, but let's see if it rips through it again, disrespects it again, and taps VWAP, or if it respects it, then it's gonna continue to go down to correct this imbalance on the 1 hour time frame. We could see on the 5 minute time frame there is slight imbalance here, so I might want to... It did hit a swing high. It is above EMA 21, and let's see if it breaks through EMA 50. We got VWAP all the way up here and EMA 500. Okay. We got EMA, I'm sorry, EMA, did I say EMA 500? EMA 200. Yo, what the hell am I talking about? All right, 5 more minutes till the New York Stock Exchange opens, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget. All right, appreciate it. Let's see. No news right now, guys. There was news at 8:30. Red folder. Let's see what happened at 8:30. Hold up. 8:30 was about here. Looks like it kind of like didn't know what to do, and then the next candle completely dumped. So this was a 8:30 candle, and that news was negative. Or was it actual forecast? Or was more than it was previous. So yeah, that's why it was negative. They forecast 211. They kind of priced that in, but they were wrong, about 1,000 wrong. So all right, 5 minutes until the New York Stock Exchange opens, guys. So let's stay patient. Let's wait for a good move. Let's see what happens. This gap that you see here, this is where price has been ranging on the 5 minute time frame. It likes to go right back to this zone and start ranging again, so that's why I kind of have it there. If you look back, it liked to hang out there. You see, during that range day that we were trading. It didn't break to the bottom, and it finally broke out to the top. Then it ranged right back into that range and started playing around in there. Price likes to hang out in this range, so you got to be careful. That was from a couple days ago, right? Yeah. All right, let's make this bigger and get ready for the New York Stock Exchange. What is ATR at? We got ATR at 24, so fairly decent, guys. Fairly decent. It's usually on average about 10 to 16 before all this Iran conflict, so it's still a little volatile, so just risk accordingly. Risk accordingly, guys. Overall time frames, higher time frames, 4 hour is still bearish, but there could be a reaction to this zone and a pop up, retesting VWAP, maybe filling this imbalance here, guys. So, but there is a lot of resistance right here. We got a support pivot here, and all these EMAs on the higher time frame. So as you can see, it's already being rejected off the EMA 50. So this thing might want to continue going down. Doesn't look like it wants to break this pivot here on the 1 hour. Let's see. Is this gonna be another short day? Is it gonna be another short day, Lauren? Man, every time I say I dislike shorts, I get more shorts. I don't know what it is. You know why I dislike shorts? Because it's negative, and I don't like negative shit. But it is what it is. We gotta react, not predict, and if it's going down, we gotta go down with it. Gotta go with the flow, right? Gotta go with the flow. We are, or I am, a momentum trader, so I go with L momentum of the trade. I don't go for reversals or top tick. So all right, 1 minute 20 seconds, New York Stock Exchange will be opening. Hope you guys are ready. Forgive me for my sniffles. Woke up with allergies, guys. Sorry. All right, let's see. Should be about a 12-15 second delay, guys. So we're a lot more in sync now. Oh shit, look at this shit. Wants to pop? Does it want to pop at the last second? It might. Might want to fill this imbalance right here. Might want to retest VWAP. So 9:30. Shit might go to the moon. I'm not taking that gamble though. All right, 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. Hang tight. Here we go. Oh yeah. That's just going long. That's just gonna fill that gap 100%. I'm sorry, like 99%. Yep. Okay. And 10 seconds. And we're off. Oh, wow, bro. 99%. Look at this fucking... It didn't fill the gap. It filled some of it. And completely went down. This is... You know what I'm saying? This is the kind of shit that I'm talking about. I don't play around at 9:30, man. That shit looks like it's going in one direction. It goes... Psych! Look at this shit. Complete reversal. That's why we wait for the 15 seconds, guys. I'm so sorry if you took that trade. I... You know... Don't recommend that. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. Does this thing want to go lower? I think overall trend is bearish. You know, there it is. Boom, boom. Let's see. S&P 500. Oh wow, S&P is chopping. That shit went down. This one went really hard. Look at that. They're not in sync at all. Interesting. This one's on a chop fest. This one's actually going down. Interesting. This one's way below EMAs. This one is trying to break through EMA 200. Is that EMA? I don't even know on the screen, to be honest, guys. That's EMA 21. EMA 50 for sure. That might be another EMA, but I don't know. And I don't want to look it up. But I'm sure it's important because it's similar to EMA 21 there. Let's go. Money time, money time. All right, let's just stay patient, guys. I'm going to wait for the best move. We got to keep this win streak alive, guys. So you already know I don't want to lose. I never do. Guys, if you see me get off the screen kind of like that, I'm probably blowing my nose, and I don't want to do it in front of you guys. Because, yeah, this is not working out today. But I'm here. I still show face. I could be dying. I'ma still be here. All right, now ES is cooperating with the NASDAQ, so let's see what it does. These are old. Let me take that out so not confuse anybody there. This is the same range that I had set here. So the only thing I don't have set here are the London low and London high, but you can see the end of London low is this swing low right here. There's a support pivot. We're under the support pivot here. This is S&P 500. Let's see what it does, guys. It has been 3 minutes since the market opened. Just stay patient. I did take a little trade on Asia session with my funded account. It was just to test something, really. Made $52 on it just to say I did something this week with the funded account because I haven't really traded it at all. And sometimes when you don't trade these funded accounts for like a whole week, they start, you know, they start telling you, yo, we're going to close your account if you don't trade it. So just to get that out the way. Apex don't care. You don't have to trade Apex every day, but maybe Tradeify. I don't know. Plus I wanted to make a little progress. So technically we are up about what, 850 something, almost 860 for the week currently. Hopefully we can be up more. Let's see. I'm doing 3 micros. You can see that right here on the eval only. ATR is at 27, guys. I would like it in the 30s. I think that's the good range, in the 30s, which it'll probably get there now. In the next 10 minutes, it should get there. ATR is the average trading range or true range, whatever you want to say. Let's go back to the higher time frame here. This is the 1 hour time frame. It looks like it rejected off the pivot point right here, and it might want to come down lower to fill this imbalance on the 1 hour. Let me look at my other higher time frames. You might see the Porsche for a second. Yeah, There's a Porsche. You saw it? You saw it? There it is. There we go. All right. All right. Porsche. Top tier. All right. Oh god. Yep. This thing might want to keep going down. But we're not gonna chase. I'm gonna stay patient, guys. Hopefully I don't miss the move, but I'm gonna stay patient. It's still early. Hopefully it doesn't make the move before the 15-minute orb. Let's see. It might be a fake out to the downside. You never know, man. This shit just says, psych, I'm going down. Psych, I'm going actually to the moon. You know? So it's always best to wait the 15 minutes and not chase the market in the first 15 minutes. Because you might see one thing, but it's trying to figure out which direction it wants to go for the rest of the day. So waiting those first 15 minutes gives you a better perspective of information of which direction it wants to go. You know, there are some days it's just gonna run in that direction from the open, and it doesn't give us a chance to enter. That's just part of it, guys. And some days it's gonna run, give us a nice pullback, show us it wants to continue running. That's when we enter. Boom, capture the move. All right, we got about 6 minutes and 40 seconds left of the 15-minute orb to be set. Let's see. Yeah, overall trend is bearish currently, but could be overextended from VWAP, so might want to retest VWAP before going lower. Might. Not 100%. Look how far VWAP is from price. We could measure it. Let's see, more or less around here to VWAP. It's about 140 points away. So could be overextended. The price could be at a discount right now, so might pop right back up. Just got to be careful, guys. Currently just kind of ranging. Let's see what happens if it taps the London low here. This is showing a hammer right now. Let's see. Risk accordingly, even though ATR is not that high. Market has been pretty crazy on a rampage. Oh, it's going lower. It's going for that swing low, going for that London low. Be careful. And it's probably going to swipe it here on this next candle. Pop. There it is. Or not even. It didn't even wait for the next candle. Look at that. All right. Big liquidity zone. All right. We got about 5 more minutes until the orb is set, guys. Just be careful. Don't get cooked. The market just opened. Oh. All right, guys. Let's see. ATR has increased to 30, 37, more or less. Let's see. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. Stay tuned. Gonna catch this banging. Everybody's gonna be like, yo, this guy's on a winning streak. Let's go. All right. Okay. It tapped that London low. Let's see. Is it going to reject? Is there a lot of buyers down there? Or are the sellers a lot stronger than the buyers? We're going to find out. Stay tuned. We got about 3 more minutes until the orb is set. We're going to stay patient, guys. We're going to stay patient. Stay patient because we going to capture the move, guys. Let's see what ES is doing. Since this is kind of choppy, kind of tapped the low. Woo! Complete rejection from the pivot point on ES. Ooh, if it inverses this here, she might be want to go up to VWAP, guys. If this shit, let's see, let's get a better look here. ES ripping. There is a super trend up there. Okay, VWAP is right here. A lot of resistance right here. Let's see, ATR is 30. Stay patient. All right, so I'm gonna start setting the orb up. Oh shit, ES is ripping. ES is ripping to the upside. Now we got to be very careful because ES has VWAP a lot closer. Holy shit. Oh, this shit is pumping.
Green giant.
Oh shit.
Green giant. Green giant.
We got to be careful, guys. VWAP is right here. VWAP is right here. We're going to stay patient. We're going to mark out the orb. Yo, and we have a pivot point here on NQ and EMA 50. So that looks like it's going to tap. Looks like it's going to tap this resistance here. Even though this is an inversion, maybe a strong V shape. Let's see what the higher time frames look like. It's still undecided, guys. So stay patient, guys. But it is pumping.
Green giant.
That shit is pumping. Oh shit, my bad. Where are my other time frames? Oh, there we go. All right, guys. So yeah, set the orb if you need to. I'm going to. Let's get the rectangle. This is 935. Boom. Boom. Be careful. Let's do the orb here. Oh shit, it's tapping VWAP on ES already. That's not good. Let's see how it reacts to that, guys. This shit could completely go straight down or keep ripping. Oh my god. This shit is going to the... Oh, we gotta fix this. Hold up. Gotta fix the orb. Alright. Let me fix this. Oh shit. Yo, what is happening right now? It's about to break orb to... Oh my god. Yo! Slow down, Turbo. Slow it down. Yo, this shit is... Fuck. What a sweep. What a sweep. Major sweep of London and just completely ripped. Wow. We're going to wait till the break, guys. Don't chase. Don't do it. This shit is ripping. Complete V-shaped recovery. Wow. All right. So, yeah. This is the orb on ES here. Okay, we are above VWAP. We're under VWAP here. So we don't want to take a breakout until we are above VWAP, guys. A breakout into VWAP on NQ. We trade this one. We do not trade this one. It's already here. There could be a rejection. It could rip. It could rip. It could want to fill this imbalance. It's not impossible, but we cannot chase. Look at this. Guys, this move is massive right here. This was a massive green candle. Massive green giant. We're going to have to, let's see. It's pretty much the orb. The orb is that green candle. 92-point candle, bro. Insanity. Insanity. 92-point candle. All right. Look at that auto rejection here. We're getting a rejection very strongly on NQ. So might want to be retesting here. Got to be careful, guys. Got to be careful. Look at this. Rejecting off VWAP. A lot of sellers up here. Let's see what the 1 hour time frame is looking like. Let me set the orb over here. Let's stay patient, guys. No chasing. Relax. Relax. Okay. Let's go. All right. No, cheers. Yo, this shit is pumping again, guys. Yo, what in the world? Look at this shit. Look at this. Wow.
Green giant. Green giant.
Insane. Billionaires have bought at the low. Is that what's happening? Or is it coming back to retest VWAP? Still hasn't touched VWAP here, but it is strongly above VWAP. Breaking out. I don't feel super confident about this one, but man, I hate taking a breakout into VWAP, but on ES it's above VWAP. They're both kind of breaking out of orb. There's a pivot here. How many points is this? Is this over 60 points? If it's over 60, I don't want to. Yeah, for sure it's over. Oh, it's 50. Let's see. From the open, 37. It's very tricky, guys. Very tricky. I think I want to go long, but it's just showing this huge wick, and I don't like it. I don't like it. This is a strong V shape, though. I don't like this strong, and I don't like taking breakouts into VWAP, so we're gonna wait a little longer. If it does break, we're gonna wait for a retest, okay, guys? If it does break, we're just gonna wait for a retest, because this was a massive move right here, and it could rip, and it happens. But this wick is very telling, very telling. So let's hold on. Let's sit on our hands here. All right. So we're going to wait for a retest. Let's see if it really wants to go up. It's going to pop. Let's see what happens if it does tap. If it does tap VWAP up here. Okay. Let's just stay patient. I do think it might want to keep going up, but this was a massive pump here, guys. Might be running out of steam. Might be. Maybe not. I don't know. It did tap, I don't even know what this EMA is here, to be honest. We are looking at ES here. We have a pivot point there. So that is resistance now, since it broke through that. Let's see, higher time frame. Shit is looking strong. It's looking strong, guys. Let's see how the 1 hour closes. Maybe if this VWAP is just on top, man. I want to see what happens once it touches VWAP. There was no retest of the top of orb. There was no retest. This shit is really tricky right now. This shit could just run without us. You know, it's possible. I just didn't like this wick. I really didn't like this wick rejection. And now it's completely erasing it. And we have fucking VWAP right here. Let's see how it reacts to VWAP, guys. Let's not get impatient. Let's stay patient. I told you the price was overextended to the downside, so it tapped this imbalance. Lots of buyers under that swing low, under the London low, popped it up. Hopefully it taps VWAP, retest top of orb, and then it continues going up, or completely rejects to the downside. I mean, overall trend is bearish overall. Very difficult to trade this shit right now. All right, so it did tap VWAP, or kind of got very close to it. Got a wick down. I gotta follow my rules, guys. ATR's at 36. Decent. ATR is at 36. If you guys took that breakout, you did well. I just didn't like it. I didn't like it. It's very wicky, guys. And we have VWAP right here, so a breakout right here could have popped a little bit and then completely gone down. So it just, I see how many points that could have been. Maybe that was the move, maybe not. I don't know. What was it? 50 something points, yeah. All right, let's wait. We're gonna stay patient. Let's see how it reacts to EMA 200 and VWAP. This shit is just ripping, bro. Fucking green giant to the max. To the fucking max. Look at this bullshit. Wow, bro. Fuck my life. What in the world? All right. Woosa, 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 woosa. It might be going for an imbalance here that I'm looking at on the 15-minute time frame. There is an imbalance, 15-minute imbalance here, but it is at VWAP, EMA 50 on the 15-minute time frame. So I'm looking at a lot of different things. We got the 1 hour candle opening up now in the next 5 minutes. 1 hour candle opening up. Stay patient, guys. All right, let's see how it reacts to VWAP on the 5 minute. If it keeps ripping it, and then see what it does on the 1 hour. All right, so we're getting a rejection off VWAP. There we go. That's what I was worried about, but I don't want to risk that. I don't want to risk that pullback there. Let's see. Is it going to retest VWAP? I'm sorry, retest the top of orb, or is it going to continue to rip? Look at this shit. This shit is very difficult today, guys. But we gotta stay patient until we see a good setup, man. I haven't really seen a great setup. Those were all like so-so trades, but anybody take a trade? Anybody take that breakout? Any longs taken, or you guys are just staying patient? Yeah, I know. That was a pump, bro. That was a nice pump. But it was hard. I just don't like breakouts into VWAP. I don't like that. We got the new 1 hour candle opening up in the next 3 minutes, guys. New 1 hour candle. Let me flip the... So, and it kind of got very close to VWAP. Remember, VWAP is delayed. As soon as this candle closes, VWAP will probably update to right here. So, maybe. I don't know, man. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Let's see. Let's see how this reacts. It's not reacting positively, touching VWAP here, guys. So, you gotta be very careful. Oh, that's a strong push down, guys. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES is going right back down. Now, if there's a red candle here, taps here, flips green, closes up here, taps here, closes green up here, we're going long. Okay? That's what we need to wait to see a nice setup. Right now, it's getting strongly rejected off VWAP and EMA 200 on the 5-minute time frame. Risk accordingly. All right. New 1 hour candle opening up in the next 1 minute and 20 seconds. Look at this shit. That shit is completely... Well, it's doing the retest. Now let's see. Is it close? If it closes inside orb, or if it just taps it, and then the next candle opens green, then yeah, then we take a long. But if this shit comes all the way right back down, what is... Look at this shit. Look at this rejection, guys. Overall trend is bearish. This is what I was scared of. This is what I was scared of happening, like right about here. So I was like, if I take, it would have been a quick scalp if I did take that, but I don't know. I wasn't too confident. Let's see what this shit does. This shit is fucking pumping again. Yo, it's crazy. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Okay. Now I did this sweep. That was a retest, guys. Oh my god. This is very tricky, guys. This is very tricky. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, but it didn't close. Okay, 1 hour candle just opened. Sorry. Yeah. It tapped VWAP strongly, guys. So, yeah. Fuck. This is right at VWAP. Fuck. Yo, this is very difficult to predict right now. I want to see what it does. I want to see what it does. Tap VWAP on the 1 hour, guys. So last time it has tapped VWAP or got close to tapping it. Rejection, rejection. Tapped it here, or broke through it, came back, retested, went down, and stayed going down. This could be the rejection all the way down now. Reality, I want to see a green candle above here to go long. If I see a green candle close above here, then we're going long. But look at this range. It loves this range right here. It loves this. It loves price action right here. It loves to range here. So let's see what happens. It's right at fucking VWAP. It goes, and that's gonna go to the moon. All right, thank you, brother. Thank you for passing through. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm staying patient, guys. I'm staying patient. Very patient. I probably let maybe a move go already, but I wasn't feeling too confident about it. So if I don't feel confident, I'm not taking it. All right, let me fix this real quick. There you go. It's the 1 hour time frame. Oh, my nose is gonna fall off, guys. Oh my god. All right, let's see. I mean, 4 hour candle is super bullish. 4 hour candle is a shooting star, guys. But it has been really choppy lately, so we got to be very careful here. It has been very choppy, even on the 4 hour time frame, especially during New York session. Yeah, it doesn't look like it wants to go any lower, man. Again, if this closes strongly green right here, that might be a long for me. Look at this massive rejection. It came down, tapped VWAP on ES. That's why it bounced. Closed as a doji. Closed as a doji on ES. And this closed as a very weak red candle. Let's see what this shit does, man. It did tap the support pivot. It broke through it. Now that's support. Tapped EMA 21. Tapped that imbalance and completely bounced. So we just gotta stay patient, guys. Stay patient. You gotta be careful because this market has been ranging, guys. Oh, I'm gonna stay patient until I see something at least as an A+ setup or close to it. Let's see what happens. Nothing yet, guys. Nothing yet. All right. Oof. That don't look good on the 1 hour. If the 1 hour candle completely engulfs this whole green move, guys, yo, that is very, very, very bearish. Could happen. Could happen. Overall trend does a pullback and continues to flush. Could want to fill this or price could say, you know what, I'm gonna start popping up at least up to here to retest EMA 50. Anything is possible. I'm just trying to time this shit right, guys. Just trying to time it right. Let's see, let's see. Alright, I'm back. Uh-oh. This shit wanna pop? This shit might wanna pop. Oh boy. Don't pop too early. Don't pop without us. On the 1 hour. I wanna go for this. Oh my god, there it fucking goes, bro. Yo. If it closes here, guys, I'm going long on this shit, bro. Just let's see how it reacts to EMA 200 here. 1 hour looks like a fucking shooting star right now. We do have a pivot point right here, but I think it's gonna shatter through that shit. Let's see how this candle closes. But I want to see a strong close actually above the EMAs and VWAP. If it comes down and chops me out, then fuck it. It is what it is. 42 is the ATR currently, so let's see. It did tap this pop did tap a 4 hour imbalance, so that's why we got a pop and then it came down. But if it closes strongly up here, guys, around here, I might take a long on just the eval. ATR is 42, so just risk accordingly. It's not terrible, but let's see how this candle closes. Oh my goodness. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Alright, figure it out, NASDAQ. Very undecided currently. Let's see what ES is doing. ES, I want to see you pop green too. This is like way too zoomed. Okay. ES is looking weak. NQ is looking weak. Oh yeah, no, it doesn't want to go up. That shit just fucking pumped. I mean dumped. Uh-oh. That shit ain't going up. Complete rejection off EMA 200 now. This shit going right back down. Alright, hang in there, guys. This shit is tricky. Looks like we're gonna sit on our hands here. I'm not taking any shorts or longs yet. Understand that why I'm not taking a short. There's a VWAP and EMA 200 here. Look at the rejection it did last time. So gotta be very, very careful. It might chop around here for a minute. It might chop around here. Oh my gosh. This is like watching paint dry right now. Gotta have patience to watch this shit, man. Nothing yet. Nothing yet, guys. Let's see. Ideally, I want to see a green candle. Close high up here before I take a long. For me to take a short, I gotta see a massive rip through this imbalance. Maybe a strong close down here. And a, I don't know, strong close down here. Just gotta be careful because it always closes strong, does a pop up, retest VWAP, and then or completely flips, and then this shit just follows. Choppy action. Choppy on the higher time frames. It's choppy. Let's see. 1 hour. Let's go back. 1 hour right now. Not looking good. To the upside, at least. It's the VWAPs, bro. VWAPs are... It's bouncing between VWAP. We got VWAP below here. And then VWAP above here. So, bounces off here. Boink. Bounces off this one. Down. So, it's boink, boink, boink. It's a freaking basketball right now, guys. I need them to both get on the same page. I need them to both get on the same page. Let's wait for this pullback. Hopefully then it rips up. I don't know. Oh god. The day I want to take a quick trade and be out is the day I'm on the charts the longest, because I don't feel great. Oh my god. Alright, here we go again. We're gonna get the pop now or what? Hang in there, guys. This is not a candle to go long on yet. No way. Gotta shatter through EMA 200 and VWAP if you want me to take a long. I need to see a strong closure up here. Up here. Looking weak. Looking weak. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I'm sorry this stream is a little slow today. I'm waiting for the best move possible, guys. I really am. I know it's gonna give it to us. I know it's gonna give it to us. We just gotta stay patient, guys. We just gotta stay patient. I know the market will be like, all right, you've been patient enough. Here you go. Alley-oop. Here's a layup for you. All right. Want to see a little bit more. All right. 50 seconds until this candle closes. What are you doing, ES? Trying. It's trying. I mean, it likes to range in this shit. ATR is at 44 right now in the 5-minute time frame. So it is getting higher every minute, every 5 minutes. Very undecided right now, to be honest. It's chopping. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, is it gonna go lower? Is it gonna go higher? Well, if you guys did take the breakout of orb, you would have won already. I just didn't want to break out into VWAP. That's like, out of 10 times, this wins twice. So it happens. But overall, usually hits that, completely rejects to the downside. It just, it went a little above it. The next candle went to the downside. It just changed up on us. Okay, okay. This is what you're gonna do, NASDAQ? Okay. Are you finally gonna pump? Are you finally gonna pump? ATR is 44. Okay, okay. Nope. Yes, maybe. I want to see a strong close. Green candle close up here. If it does a strong here or above, we're going long. And if it chops me out, it chops me out, guys. But I'm going to go long if I see a strong green candle closure up here. Let's see. I might want to go for this imbalance right here, which is good for us. Still hasn't taken London high out, you know. Let's see. Let's see. Right back down again. Oh, VWAP is holding it. Oh. Nobody's taking anything. I know, man. Sometimes it be like this, guys. Just stay patient. I appreciate you guys watching the stream. Make sure you hit that like button if you're watching. Hit the like button. If you can't hit the like button, it's because you're not subscribed. So subscribe or log into your YouTube account on your YouTube app so you can like it and subscribe. Mission impossible. This shit is really laggy right now. Let's see. Is this shit gonna finally pump at the last minute? Let's go. Let's go. Figure it out, NASDAQ. Figure it out. This shit is just chopping. Come on. It was a big pump, so now it's going to consolidate. But this is looking like a bull flag, guys. This looks like a bull flag. So it does maybe it does tap the top of orb again. And then it'll show us a shoot all the way up. I don't know. I hope so. We'll see. Oh my goodness. Sneeze attack. Sneeze attack, guys. I'm trying to survive. Come on, can the NASDAQ and ES just eat a mushroom or something and continue to rip? Oh my god. Chop. Yo, if this gets to 1135 and it's still going fucking sideways, I'm turning the computer off, guys. I missed the move. It is what it is. Tomorrow's another day. That's how I feel about it. That's how I feel about it. If this shit just wants to keep fucking around until 11:35, I'm just gonna log off. We're green on the week already, guys. We don't have to take the trade today. You know, we don't have to. Might have missed the move already with this pop right here, but hopefully it gives us another opportunity, which I'm sure there's always another opportunity. It's just how long do you want to wait for it, you know? How long do you want to wait until it gives it to you? I don't want to wait all day. And Trump speaks at 4. That's dangerous. Probably a lot of volatility there. Maybe it's waiting for that. Maybe it's waiting for that news. Who knows? Why didn't you go long there, David? Right into VWAP. Overall trend was bearish. It did close above VWAP, but wasn't very confident about that, man. It was still right. It was right here, right into VWAP. It could have tapped, pumped, tapped VWAP and it's completely straight down. No, it tapped it and now it's chopping at VWAP. So okay, you gonna get up here or what? Up here or up here, and I'm going long. Let's see what you're doing. All right. Okay. Come on, 2 minutes. Close up here. Nah. Right back down. It's not gonna make it easy. It's not gonna make it easy. Oh my goodness. The struggle. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Man, this is a boring ass stream right now. Oh, choppity chop. Come on, show us some direction, NASDAQ, please. Show us some direction. Figure it out. Make a decision. Up or down? Up or down? Up. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Up. Let's see what yeah, it's still chopping here. Still chopping on ES. Oh my god. Oh. I'm not gonna get chopped out, guys. I'm not. I'm not looking for that. We're looking for the banger. We just gotta stay patient. It's gonna test your patience. It's gonna test you. Nothing yet, guys. Shit's just going sideways right now. It's just going sideways. Let's see. It's consolidating, so it's gonna pop either to the downside or the upside, but it's gonna pop some way. We'll see. Just stay patient. Just stay patient. We gonna catch it. We're gonna catch something. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, bro. I want to go take a nap again, to be honest. I just don't feel good. Is this it? Is this the pop? Is this gonna be the pop? Got 3 minutes and 40 something seconds. This shit is just not fucking cooperating, bro. This fucking range, dude. We need this shit to break out of this little range right here. I'm gonna mark out this little ranging. That's what it's doing. Consolidating. Ranging or ranging? Is it ranging? Ranging? Ranging. Or maybe I had it right. I don't even know, bro. I'll leave it like that. Ranging. It's ranging, guys. You already know. Let's mark the same range here. We know this is orb, so let's not get confused. Or for you guys, don't get confused. Orb. Okay. And let's see what happens. It's going to go back into orb. It's going to bounce off orb, bounce off EMA 21 here. What you going to do, NASDAQ? What you doing out here? Why didn't I take this long here and just be done with the day? Oh my god, what a bad one. Why didn't I take the long? VWAP was right here, bro. VWAP, VWAP, VWAP on the 15-minute time frame. VWAP. What's happening? Rejection. That's why I didn't long it. Why didn't it long it? 4-hour time frame. VWAP right there. Tapped it. I didn't know it was gonna tap the imbalance and then come down. It's just super choppy. We need it to go down, bro. This is 4-hour. Let's see. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button on the video, please. Okay. This shit's going down. This shit's going down? Going down to test VWAP. We're not taking no shorts, alright? Relax. It's retesting. It's retesting. Retesting EMA 21. Right back up again. Touching the support pivot on ES. Be very careful, guys. Be very careful. What? Oh my goodness. NASDAQ, figure it out, please. What are you gonna do? You going down or you going up? Didn't break out of that range. Notice it did not break out of that range I made. Did not break out of this range either. So it's still ranging. If it's still ranging at 11:35, guys, I'm going to turn off the computer and we don't take a trade. Because we're not going to force a trade. Alright? Mess up our win streak just because we want to take a trade. If it's a low probability setup, that's literally the opposite of the title of this thumbnail or live stream today. It's called high probability setups, not low probability setup. So right back up again. Again, what I'm looking for, guys, is a break out of this range to the upside. So if I see a close, even if it's right here, probably taking that damn long, bro. Even though it could chop me out, but let's see what happens. No, I think this shit's gonna go lower. Maybe, I don't know. That's a rip through VWAP on ES. So right now, why is it choppy? VWAP is here. NQ VWAP is here. So tap, 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 gets pushed down. Tap, try to get down here, gets pushed up. So makes it range. Thank you guys for staying on here with me. It's been a ranging market. It did break out of orb and I didn't take it. A lot of resistance to the upside. Didn't want to get faked out. Maybe if I had order flow, I'd have a better perspective, but I don't. We're getting a clear rejection here. This thing might want to go lower. Let's see what it does on ES. If ES can get on the same page as NASDAQ, or we're going to go with what we see. Let's set the orb until 11:35, guys. Well, that's not 11:35. Nice little whoomp. Consolidation. 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 ATR is at 44. Almost 45. Oh, we're getting a pump. Getting a pump on ES here. Is NQ gonna follow? Is NQ gonna follow? What a day. What a day. Do 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 do. This is rough. This is rough, man. This shit is not picking a direction. My God. Okay. Oh my God. NASDAQ. You're funny. My goodness. You guys are still here? Did you guys take a nap? Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button. I know that this stream is really slow right now. We're just watching paint dry currently. Oh my God. Watching this shit just do absolutely nothing. This shit is...
He needs some milk.
Yeah, needs something. Can we get a move, please, to the downside or to the upside? But we gotta get something. Oh man. Wow. Let's see. All right. Does it want to go finally down or what? Interesting. It's breaking out of that range on NQ, but it's tapping orb now. And we have VWAP here on ES, so just be careful, guys. Don't be taking no shorts yet. Don't be taking, even if it breaks out of this range, don't be taking a short. We got VWAP here on ES.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Is it gonna finally make a move? Is it finally gonna make a move? Okay. I appreciate it. Oh my God. Anybody who's trading this right here? Anybody that trades ranges? That to me is like...
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it! Aw, dang it!
Yeah. It's like up, down, up, down, up, down. Barcoding. Barcode. Barcoding. Morning. Good morning from Texas. Good morning. Over here just watching paint dry. Nothing crazy. This thing is just barcoding right here. Barcode. No clear direction. No clear direction. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let me guess. The next one's up. All right. Yeah. All right. So it did tap the top of orb on NQ. It didn't really tap VWAP. VWAP is this purple on ES. Didn't tap it, but it is ripping now up. I want to see a closure up here before taking a long, guys. I need to see a breakout. A breakout out of this range. It just tapped VWAP right now. Let's see if it can break that. Let's see. We got ATR at 43. NQ is trying to break out of that range. Let's see what happens. We gotta wait for it to close, because it could go all the way up there and then completely get rejected, as it's doing right now. We gotta wait for a closure. Wait for that. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Complete rejection. Right back down. Right back down. Tap VWAP. Pushed it all the way down. Alrighty. And now this shit is free falling. Oh shit. Who tweeted? Who tweeted? Oh Lord. Oh. It's crashing.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Oh, look at that volatility, guys. Look how quick the candle's moving. You see it going up, down, up, down, up, down. There's a lot of orders going in right now. Whoa, and completely bought right back up. Insanity. This is crazy right here. This shit is just whipsawing people if they're in a trade. Complete whipsaw. It went all the way back to, did an equal high, and then completely rejected off ES. Tapped VWAP here, completely rejected to the downside. Tapped the support pivot. Tapped VWAP and just bounced. This shit doesn't know what to do. This shit is crazy right now. I'll tell you what I'm not gonna do. I'm not taking no trade until I see clear direction. Oh, the orange man is talking. Yeah, I gotta have CNBC on or something. That's why this shit's going wild. Well, if he's talking, it's probably going down, guys. He's probably going down because nobody trusts a word he says anymore. He says there was a five-day pause. Iran's like, we're not even talking. What are you talking about? Oh, man. Let's see what happens. Let's just watch. This looks like a tactical nuke, though. Alrighty, what's going on? We're back. We're back. We going down, guys. We're going down. Trump is talking. Oh my God, it's flushing. We are under inversion. We're taking a short here. Oh shit, I think we're taking a short. Let's see higher time frames. Complete engulfing candle. Complete engulfing. Might want to fill the rest of this imbalance here. Candle's gonna close in. I'm gonna take the short. I'm gonna take it. You might want to go lower, guys. This is, hopefully it wants to go lower. All right, tricky. Risk accordingly. All right,
order submit. Order
we're
failed.
in. Let's see if we don't get killed, or it just continues to flush. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it. Wow, the bottom of orb. Oh no. Yep. Chopped right up. It's going to retest maybe the support pivot that it just ripped through. Risking 200 to make 200. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's going down. It should just rip through all the freaking EMAs. This is the 1 hour. It ripped through all of this. Tapped the MA 50. Let's see if we can get a push. It broke out of that range. Broke into orb again. Let's see if it fills this imbalance. Y'all can close it whenever you feel comfortable, but I'm gonna hold this shit to see where it goes. All right, I'm okay with the 200 bucks lost if it happens. Gotta be okay with the risk, guys. Let's go. Flush it. Flush it, flush it, flush it. Let's go, Trumper. Flush it. We're up 60. We're up 60. You guys can close it if you want. I mean, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it, guys. We've been patient, right? We kind of waited for this to break, and it broke to the downside. Hopefully it doesn't bounce. Let's hope it keeps flushing a little more. Come on, flush it, flush it. No, 85. Oh my gosh. Flush it. At least 40 points so my auto trail kicks in. Come on. Flush it. Let's go. Oh, there's a lot of resistance there, man. This shit is popping up. Okay, here we go. Oh, hit 100. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This thing is kind of bouncing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is very volatile right now, guys. Very volatile. Be careful. Be very careful. Oh, shit. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. It's bouncing hard over here. This shit is bouncing, bouncing. Wow. Is it gonna rip right back up? Please don't do that. Come on. Come on, flush it. Come on, just flush it. Complete flush. Complete flush. Let's go. Fill the imbalance. Fill the rest of this imbalance. No. Come on, don't chop me out. Don't chop me out. Oh, shit. This shit is crazy right now. This shit is crazy. Anything could happen here, guys. Anything could happen here. I'm going to go with strong. Hopefully this support pivot turns into strong resistance. It did inverse. This is fair value gap right here. So I'm going to hold this until whatever happens. Until whatever happens, happens. Come on. Stop playing around. Let's get a crazy nuke candle. Let's nuke it. Come on.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Flush it. Flush. Flush. You guys can close it out whenever you want, all right? Oh, there we go. A little bit more, guys. Oh, my God, a little bit more. Let's get to that green low. Oh, my God. Y'all can close it whenever you want. Oh, this is very volatile, guys. I think it's going to go a little lower. I think it's going to go a little lower. Come on. Oh, man. It still hasn't hit the 40 points. ATR is currently at 48. Come on. Let's flush it. Here we go. Next candle coming out. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Oh, no. Come on. Get down there. Flush it. I know. Come on. Sell, 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 sell. Y'all can close it whenever you want. Okay, guys? Don't lose because of me. Wow. Down, 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 guys. W. You guys took the W already? Some of you did. I'm holding on. Holding on for dear life here. For dear life. Come on. It's a little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, NASDAQ. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm okay with the loss if it happens, guys. I know I was up at least $100, but you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Oh, come on. Come on, NASDAQ. You don't want to go up. You clearly want to go down. Don't start chopping around here. Just flush it, man. Just flush it. Come on, flush it. There we go. Hammer time. Hammer time. Let's go. Oh. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Very volatile, guys. Especially if Trump is speaking. This shit could do anything. So. Okay, come on, flush it. Flush it. Let's get a crazy flush to that swing low. Come on, sell, 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 sell. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. At least auto trail to kick in. Come on. There we go. There we go. Back in the hundreds. Come on. Higher time frames are very bearish. Higher time frames are very bearish, guys. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Still haven't hit 40 points though. Oh my goodness. Come on, flush it. Let's hit this swing low right here. Let's go. Swing low is down here. Let's go. Let's go. 130. You guys can close it whenever you want if you haven't already. Oh man, this thing is struggling to go lower, man. Should I sell one right here, guys? I should sell one just to do something, man.
Order submitted.
All right, so if it flushes there, I'm gonna move to break even. Oh, oh, we're locked in, guys. We're locked in. Let's go. Let's go. We're locked in. Oh, it's flushing. It's flushing. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this out here. I think this is don't pop back up, you little bastard. Don't do it. Go lower. Or should we let this run? Let's let it run. Let's let it run. Forget it. Set and forget, huh? Oh, you better not pop right back up, little bastard. Don't do it. Flush it. What's the P&L at? We're already green no matter what, guys. It's not a lot, but something. This is where we're at right now. 160 currently. Let's go. Let's go. Flush it. Let's go. Let's go. We're all right. We locked in. Oh my God. Whoa. What happened? Oh, it hit the TP. Oh shit. Holy shit. We're locked in at 219. Let's go. Yo, I moved my TP way down here. It was a crazy flush. Did you guys get that? Holy shit. That was wild, guys. Yo, watch the replay on that shit. That shit was so fast. It knocked the TP out. I didn't even see it. I was like, what the hell happened? And it closed me out right here. How many points was that, guys? Yo, we were patient as hell waiting for this shit. Patient as hell. But it showed us I got a total of, let's see. All right, be careful. It might pop up, guys. 73 points, guys. Is that good? Is that good? We took out a partial. We took out a partial right here. 36 points. Didn't want it to reverse. Left a runner. Runner closed at 73. More or less 73 points. It just did a massive sweep, guys. So be careful. There could be a pop up. Hope you're trailing tight. But yeah, we're good. 219 for the day. Total $1,026 for the week so far. We waited from a 9 o'clock or 9:30 all the way to almost 11 o'clock right now. But we're finally done. Oh my goodness. Done. Everybody put W's in the chat. I'm going to put the chat on the screen. Put W's in the chat so you can see yourselves. Let's go. W's in the chat if you're still here. Let's go. Yeah. No, it definitely went down, Buckaroo. Let's get some W's if you got them. If you got that short, I don't know how many times. Let's go. Let's go, Danny. Let's go. It was scary. It was scary. Let's go. Sound engineering. Let's go. What was I waiting for, guys? I appreciate you guys. Big W. Big W. Let's go. We got Drive Master over here with the big W short. This is a green week, brother. Big thanks. Let's go, Buckaroo, man. I love it. Not just because I'm winning, but you guys are winning too. So, man, that's an even better feeling. An even better feeling, guys. Appreciate it. Yeah, guys, bro, you guys, if you guys were in that while I was still in that, you saw that snap? I'm gonna watch this video later and watch that shit just snap down. That shit was crazy. That shit was crazy. So yeah, this is how we're doing for the week. We just hit 219. I did this little 52 bucks during Asia session just to do something on there. But here we go. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Trading with David. I appreciate all of you guys for watching, and I'm super happy you guys took that short with me. We were patient. We missed this pop here, but I think this was a way better trade, to be honest. This right here, when it ripped, inversed this imbalance, it was a little volatile. That shit was moving scary, but I was hanging on for dear life. This is what I was really looking for on the 1 hour, for it to tap this imbalance. That's what it's been doing. Tap, 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 tap. So there it is, and there it was. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thank you for watching Trading with David in the 305, which is Miami. Take it easy and have a great rest of your day, guys. See you tomorrow. Later.